Are consumers feeling more confident about the economy as we head into 2025? Or are we bracing for a storm? Today we're going to talk about the latest Consumer Confidence Index number to find out. Hey everyone, it's James Santiago here with Learn Wealthy, your go-to channel for all things finance, investing, real estate, and macroeconomics. Also, Merry Christmas. Picture this, today's the holidays. You'd expect packed stores and endless lines at checkouts, right? But instead, things feel quieter. Maybe because people are shopping online? What's going on though? That's where the Consumer Confidence Index, or CCI, comes in. This one number reflects how optimistic or worried people feel about the economy. And right now, the results are a little bit concerning. The Consumer Confidence Index for December just dropped to 104.7, down from 112.8 in November. But wait, there's more. Let's look at the other two components driving the drop. The Present Situation Index, which reflects how people feel about the economy, right now dipped slightly from 141.4 to 140.2. And then there's the Expectation Index, which measures outlooks for the next 6 months. This one took a sharp fall from 93.7 to 81.1. That drop in expectation is a big deal. Why? Because when the expectation index falls below 80, it signals a potential recession. And right now, we're hovering dangerously close. Who cares about your CCI? I should be in school. How dare you? Alright, so who's behind these CCI numbers? The CCI isn't just some random guess. It's compiled by the Conference Board, a research group that's been conducting the Consumer Confidence Survey since 1967. Each month, they ask about 5,000 US households 5 key questions about current business conditions, future business conditions, future job prospects, expected family income, and current job availability. The answers create 3 scores: the Present Situation Index, the Expectation Index, and of course the overall Consumer Confidence Index. Here's why this matters. Consumer confidence nearly drives 70% of the US economy. When people feel good about jobs and income, they spend. And when they're nervous, they save, or worse, stop spending altogether. This slowdown trickles down to businesses, jobs, and even investments. Ooh. And the expectations index drops. It's like a warning light on your car dashboard. Ignore it, and the engine might stall. Alright, so take a look around. Hiring freezes, cautious CEOs, and even holiday sales starting early. These are all signs of waning consumer confidence. It's not just numbers. It's real-life impact on families, jobs, and businesses. But here's the good news. Knowing this information gives you the upper hand. So here's what you can do. Keep a closer eye on your spending. Focus on essentials. Build up your savings in case of an economic slowdown. Stay informed by watching Learn Wealthy. Numbers like the CCI can help you prepare for what's next. Remember, the economy is cyclical. Just like winter turns into spring, downturns are always followed by rebounds. Staying ready is the key. So what do you think about the latest Consumer Confidence Index? Are you feeling confident and optimistic? Or do you see clouds in the horizon? I'm not sure if the amount of people that the Conference Board's survey is really enough data to represent the United States as a whole. So drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear if you're confident or not about the economy. For more finance, investing, real estate, and macroeconomics, let's all learn wealthy together. I'll see you in the next video. Merry Christmas.